Mr. Speaker, sir, I thank the honourable member for the question. Honourable Sachibanari. Sir, the Maritime Safety Authority of Fiji is committed to ensure safety of lives at sea and the protection of the marine environment, and this commitment is further reinforced with the MSAF's 5-year strategic plan, 2024-2029. MSAF ensures the commitment to safety of lives at sea by ensuring the following. 1, ships are surveyed every 6 months to ensure they are seaworthy and in safe condition to carry passengers at all times. As part of a ship survey, the following non-exhaustive items are subject to survey: ship machinery, life-saving equipment, firefighting equipment, radio, navigation systems, hull structure. Maritime service providers must also be recognized by MSAF prior to be engaged by MSAF to carry out certain roles. These providers are audited periodically by MSAF to ensure compliance standards are being met. These include boat builders, naval architects, life raft service centers, firefighting equipment service centers, life-saving equipment, and underwater equipment. MSAF also engages recognized classification societies in terms of ship survey-related work. This partnership is useful for situations where MSAF is unable to deploy its surveyors abroad for imminent surveys such as hull thickness survey. Only qualified and certified masters and crew are permitted to serve on board in compliance with Standards Training Certificate and Watchkeeping, STCW Convention, and Fiji's maritime laws. The authority administers oral assessments for the upgrade of licenses, and these assessments are to verify competency in navigation, ship handling, engineering, and safety procedures. Overall licenses are revalidated based on a 5-year cycle, service records, medical fitness, and compliance with required safety refresher training. Mr. Speaker, the authority ensures that ships are issued with minimum manning certificates to ensure every ship has sufficient qualified and competent personnel on board to operate the vessel safely, efficiently, and in compliance with national maritime laws. For vessels less than 15 meters, trainings and certifications is provided whereby boat operators are required to obtain boat master license, restricted master license with qualifications. It provides the essential navigational safety and seamanship skills required for safe vessel operation. MSAF audits and approves maritime training providers to ensure its syllabus meets national legal requirements and standards for the International Maritime Organization, particularly for passenger ship operations. The domestic shipping industry has in its service some foreign seafarers whose certificates are duly recognized by MSAF. Strict criteria under the STCW Convention is implemented by MSAF to ensure that such foreign seafarers are competent, thus ensuring safety at sea. Mr. Speaker, the enforcement and compliance officers stationed at major ports and jetties conduct marine clearance checks that entails the enforcement of safety of passengers and cargoes during loading and unloading, also by ensuring that the number of passengers and weight of cargo loaded does not exceed what is stated in the survey certificate. Of course, this is to avoid overloading of cargoes and passengers. So the verification of vessel documents are always conducted prior to vessel departure to ensure these are valid. These include life-saving appliances certificate, certificates of competency of masters and crew, firefighting appliance certificate, fumigation certificate where relevant, ship radio license, coasting trade license, minimum manning certificate, service certificate, passenger manifest, cargo manifest, crew list. Safety checks are also conducted on board to ensure that all equipment are fully operational.